for this video, we will solve this problem. Calculate the minimum work required to manufacture 5 pounds of ice cubes from water initially at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Assume that the surroundings are at 80 degrees Fahrenheit and the delta H of fusion is 80 calories per gram. Okay. Let's draw the problem. Minimum work required. When we say minimum work required, we're dealing with the Carnot refrigeration kasi it gives us the minimum work for a refrigeration cycle. So let's draw the Carnot refrigeration cycle. You have the cold temperature reservoir, the hot temperature reservoir, and may absorption, may release, and meron tayong work requirement. Okay? Ang T cold daw ay equal sa freezing point. Okay? Kasi, magpuproduce tayo ng ice. Okay? So, yung T cold ay equal sa 0 degrees Celsius. Pero in Fahrenheit, it's also the 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Yung freezing point. Freezing point in the Fahrenheit scale. How about the T hat? Yung surroundings ay 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And the delta H of fusion is 80 calories per gram. Let's write the formula for COP. COP is QC over work shaft equal to TC over TH minus TC. So what we're being asked is actually this one, work shaft. And alam ba natin yung ibang values? Well, we can solve for QC. Paano i-solve yung QC? Assume natin na since equal lang yan sa M delta H of fusion. Okay? And then for the rest, yung T at TC and TH, meron tayong value. So, calculate natin yung TC in absolute scale, tapos 80 degrees minus 32. So, no need, since delta naman yung nasa ilalim, no need to convert to absolute scale. Ito ay Rankine. Ito ay Rankine din. Ang COP ay 10.25. And then, yung work shaft mo, equal yan sa QC over COP. Diba? Mali. Tinranspose lang yung QC sa kabilang side, tas yung COP sa kabilang side. Pero yung QC mo equal sa M delta H of fusion. Bakit? Nakalimutan ko sabihin kung bakit. Kasi, yun yung heat na tinatanggal mo sa water para maging ice. Initially kasi, na siya, sa liquid na siya na ready to be solidified na siya kasi nasa boiling nasa ano na siya, freezing point. Pero, hindi pa siya solid, liquid pa rin siya, pero nasa freezing point. So, nasa saturated, liquid na state siya, nearing the freezing to solid. Okay? So, yun yung heat na tinatanggal mo sa liquid na water para maging ice. Kaya siya equal sa QC. Then, divide the COP, and ilan yung mass mo? 5 pounds daw. Tapos, kaso calories kasi yung given. So, mag-convert tayo ng kilogram to pounds. And then, 1,000 grams to 1 kilogram times 80 calories. Okay, para per gram kasi siya, 80 calories per gram. Divided by 10.25 na COP. Okay? So, tama na matitira ay yung calories na unit. Therefore, yung work minimum yan is 7.738 kilocalories. Okay. Let's try the other problem. The other problem, the food compartment of a refrigerator is maintained at 4 degrees Celsius by removing heat from it at a rate of 360 kilojoules per minute. If the required power input to the refrigerator is 2 kilowatts, determine letter A, the COP of the refrigerator, and letter B, the rate of heat discharged to the room that houses the refrigerator. Let's draw the problem. Same drawing lang do sa kanina. QC, QH, work shaft. Okay? And then, given from the given, TC is 40 degrees Celsius. QC, ano yung QC based sa given? So, yung TC kasi yung loob ng refrigerator, kaya siya yung cold temperature reservoir. Tapos yung QC, ito siya, 360, siya yung nire-remove na heat. Now, sabi, if the required power input to the refrigerator is 2 kilowatts, determine the COP of the refrigerator. So, let's calculate yung COP if yung work daw ay 2 kilowatts. So, yung COP is QC over work shaft equal to 360 kilojoules per minute times conversion factor 1 minute 60 seconds times 2 kilowatt is 2 kilojoules per second. So, maka-cancel lahat ng units dapat. Unitless. COP is equal to 3. The next question is the rate of heat discharge to the room that houses the refrigerator. Ang tinatanong naman ay QH. Kasi rate of heat discharge. So, yun yung nilalabas mo to the hot temperature reservoir, which is the room. So, another form of the COP formula is this, diba? Yung work shaft ay QH minus QC. Therefore, if I want to solve for QH, isolating QH on one side of the equation, siya, QC plus QC times COP over COP. Okay? Which is QC over COP plus QC. Now, I will replace all the known 360 kilojoules per minute divided by times 1 minute 60 seconds. Okay? Tapos, over 3 plus QC. Ayan, ganun ulit. So, divided by 60 ulit. Okay. And equal yan sa 8 kilowatts. Okay.